I did what you said. It coming like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Jesus. Anyways, good morning, you guys. It is December the 3rd. It's Monday, December the 3rd. Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? And I'm at work and I'm already going through problems because stuff that I saved on Friday is not opening or did not save properly, which means I'm gonna have to go over everything and retype everything. It's a good thing I write everything down. You know, I just filled my water bottle for the day. Oh my God, I love it. It's so cute. Anyways, so as I said, I just got to work. I'm gonna be at work. It's 8:30. And yeah, I don't know what time today's vlog is going to be uploaded. I was speaking with somebody in the comments and I was saying that I would love to have my videos uploaded by like 6 o'clock, but that's probably only going to be on weekends because by the time I get home in the evenings, it's like 6 o'clock. And then today I have to make dinner because I don't have dinner for the rest. I don't have lunch. If I make dinner tonight, I'm going to go eat tonight and then have lunch for 2 days. So Tuesday, Wednesday. So by Wednesday, I must have to cook again. And I have chicken wings left over. So I can make my chicken wings. What else? So yeah, I have a couple things to do after work. So I'm not exactly sure what time I'm going to get home. But I know I'm going to get home extremely late today. Probably like around like 7, 8. So today's vlog is definitely going to be up a little bit late because I have to go in and go cook. Have to go in and cook. Some of my cut one thing short and do one thing tomorrow, but then depending on how today go, maybe they'll have tomorrow, so it might have to wait till the weekend. But I really want to go return this thing. And yeah, so I just decided I'd come in and check in and say good morning, even though you're all gonna get this in one vlog. But yeah, good morning, and I hope you guys had yourself a great day at work, at school, taking care of the kids, the house, hubby, wifey, the pets, whatever. And I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Okay, bye. I'm not gonna let me stress out. I'm stressed out right now. I'm freaking stressed out. Like somebody just called me and told me that I need 3 people. Like that's the hardest thing to do is when people, these employers call me the day and say that they need somebody today, like more than one person. It's like not even tomorrow. I'm stressed, like stressed. My loves. Anyways, I just walked through the door. So I'm gonna like breeze out a little bit and prep, and then I will come back and cook. I think honestly I'm fucking tired. Like I'm tired and I'm stressed out, super stressed out. You can blame Sade because she just brought stress and sufferation down on me, but no, for real, you guys go message Sade and tell her to feel better and come out of her funk. She's in a funk and she's passing it on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll be back shortly. This vlog will probably be up close to like midnight, but it's Vlogmas. Day 3 at that. So yeah, look over. Hi guys. So I'm gonna try to get through this as quickly as possible because I still have to edit this and put it up tonight. So I have my chicken. I have my chicken. Fail! Oh my gosh. Okay. So we have our chicken, our flour, and our seasonings. Okay. So how did I do this yesterday? Wait. Okay, I think we're in action. So to fry the chicken or French fry the chicken, you have to coat it in flour. Okay. So you pour out some flour, not too much depending on the chicken that you're gonna do. I think this should be, actually I think I need more. Oh Lord, I'm just making a mess. OMG. So that's how much flour I have in there. I'm gonna put some salt. And not too much needs to go in the flour because you already seasoned your chicken. I'm gonna put some Maggi. And I put a lot of this shit. My herbs. Some paprika. Bombard. Black pepper. Anyways, stir that up. Yeah. And then you're gonna take your chicken. Look at that. Look how that's seasoned. You're gonna drop it in there. You're just gonna cover it up. And then it's gonna come out like this, and then you're just gonna drop it in your oil. I have my peas on. Go ahead. Yeah. And I have my oil in the pot waiting to go. It's gonna take some time. Let me turn it up, making it hot fast. And then yeah.
Any moment no. When any moment no. When then that I real with it. Them can't do it, I'm here to deal with it. Chimney, uptown.
Hi guys. Okay, so look at my good chicken. Our KFC has said to me good, and then alright, look at my peas are gone and my peas are bubble and thing. People, you know, so me forget so me can do voiceover and them something here. So alright, so yes, so we are going voice over the rest of this now. Alright, so action. Alright people, so now me turn my chicken up on my good chicken. Me can't work a KFC now. Lots. And now my peas, they are coming to the desired texture and softness. Ooh. Hi, oh my god, it's me. Hi guys. Hey, what's going on? Alright guys, so to season the rice and peas, you're going to add your coconut milk. Now, I know certain people add coconut milk to their own desired taste. Some people will add less, some people add more, some people add the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't like my rice and peas too red. So I add a whole heap of coconut milk. I'm also going to add a scotch bonnet pepper, some scallions, some thyme, and I believe that was garlic. I'm going to add salt. Well, not going to add, I'm adding salt. I'm adding my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, because you know some can't season no without Maggi, eh? Yeah, big up Maggi anyway today. And I look for the rest of the seasoning. Then what is this? This is garlic, pepper, and herbs. Me just hang up the phone pan Shade, and all now Shade cannot call me back. But I'm adding the garlic, pepper, and herbs to my pots. Yeah. Then we're going to add some black pepper. Talk to me nice. Go there. What may I look for now? Oh, my pimento seeds. Dark truth straight from down a market. Yes. All right, so I add that in, and then I realize I add too much, but it's all right. The more the merrier. Pimento ton of thing, yeah? Loud. All right, and then what we going to do now? I'm going to go back and I'm going to add more coconut milk. And I realize my piece still too red. I know I stir up the pot, yeah? Knock it, because you know... Real cooks knock the spoon pan side of the pot. Look there. Jesus. Look there. Aye. Alright, so now I add my rice, my good basmati rice. I don't know, so I love my basmati rice. So yeah, I add my basmati rice and set time I add some butter. Alright, so now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and put the cover on. Look at plantain! And add some little foil on top of it, make the steam catch in and put on the cover, and we are done! And there we have it, guys, the finished product, my rice and peas. Do you guys see that seasoning? Like, talk to who nice, goodie. My plantain. I'm a good up fried chicken. Oh my gosh, you guys, I are going to consume that. Yeah, finish editing this vlog and getting this vlog up for you guys. It is 8:56 right now. I want this vlog to be up before 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh my gosh! Dalton with X Factor, you can't talk truth! Big up Jamaica anyway. When they want to come out with talk truth. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy when I already won. Like, I mean, he was like literally the best talent, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, the man getting papers, talk truth, that's what I'm saying for do it. Yeah, legal and right and stuff, you know? Yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is it. This is going to be it for Vlogmas Day 3. I'm going to end the vlog here. Please leave a comment down below. I love the interaction that I'm having with you guys, and I love that you guys are loving Vlogmas so far. Leave a comment down below. Tomorrow, I think I know what I'm gonna do for tomorrow. But yeah, until then, leave a comment down below. If you are new, please subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I feel like Christmas time, like December, is where I get like majority of my subscribers. So big up on yourself. And yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Have a good night. Love you guys.
Dinner